guys, so today we're gonna be messing around with fidget cube and a fidget spinner. Let's see which one's better. Hey guys, so I have my fidget spinner. It's actually really cool. A fidget spinner is already so cool because I don't know why it's so cool. Look, you just spin it and it's so good. Like, after you try out how fidget spinner one, it's like really good. Oh, okay. I just like stopped it. Let's find it. Okay, let's try out the fidget cube. Cube is actually really addicting. Just pressing all these buttons and just getting all of these, getting the silver thing, getting that thing, and getting these, this, and switching these. It's just really addicting doing this, and you could do this like all day. So let's see who's the most best. Okay guys, so the best one is gonna be, the big reveal is by both of these. Actually, I think some of you will shout fidget spinner, fidget spinner. Well, if you shout the fidget spinner, you are wrong. What if you shouted you like fidget cube more? Yep, I love fidget cubes. They're like so addicting. Like fidget spinners, they're so good. They're so addicting to do. Well, it's just not enough to make me so focused on this. I like spinning as fast as I can, and I forgot to mention, actually I buy this fidget spinner like a few days ago. Okay, actually a month ago I buy this fidget spinner, which is pretty cool. And also I was just buying a fidget spinner that is a secret metal one that is gonna come up like in one more day. That the deliver package is gonna come in one more day. So let's just end the video now. You know what I'm gonna say. Bye guys. Don't forget to leave a like, a comment, bye, or subscribe. Yeah!